The Department of Morphological Disciplines, with the cooperation of TAMIR Center by Mind Labs, organized a guest lecture on February 16 for 4th and 5th semester. Humna Mariam, a clinical psychologist at DRC, Drug Rehabilitation Center, Multan, Pakistan, gave a lecture on the discipline medical psychology, on the topic medical ethics and professionalism, under the Academic Mobility Program for Mutual Cooperation and Improving the Quality of Education, as well as for expanding the knowledge and horizons of students through interaction with foreign teachers. Adam University believes in quality education and continuously working on its mission of better learning initiatives. More guest lectures will be organized for international students studying at Adam University School of Medicine. Thanks for watching.